Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at our new 2024 GMC Sierra 2500HD SLE. Summit white paint with a jet black interior. Under the hood you have a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find includes heated seats and steering wheel, forward collision alert, wireless charging, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that jet black finish on the door panel, as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console, and the seats. Storage on the bottom of the door panel with power windows, mirrors, and locks, as well as power folding capability. On the panel next to the steering wheel, you have your electronic parking brake, several different driving modes, and some interior and exterior lighting control. Black cloth bucket seats with power controls and lumbar support on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel, while the right has voice recognition and directional controls for the screen in front of you, which has plenty of information and vehicle maintenance screens you can scroll through. The entertainment display has your audio. This will be AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. You have navigation, phone settings if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, camera that you can open up here with a couple different options along the bottom there, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The clock on the right can be changed to the music that you're listening to or the map if you prefer navigation. Below the screen you'll have a few more controls, including your lane departure warning and power tailgate. There's a couple others here as well. Volume dial and home button to the left with your push to start and trailer brake just below it. Dual zone climate control has your temperature gauge, fan speed, air conditioning controls, as well as your heated seats for the driver and the passenger, with a couple outlets on the right for you to use. A large storage compartment at the front, as well as a dual cup holder in front of the center console. You also have the wireless charging pad that tucks underneath. You can open up for more storage space on the inside and a few more outlets. Up top you have the rear view mirror, of course, and located above you you'll find a few interior lighting controls. Just in front of the passenger you have a storage compartment above the glove box, so there's some storage space in the front if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have the Summit white paint, red GMC emblem in the center of the grille, chrome and black accents along the bottom of the front bumper with black front recovery hooks, LED headlamps, aluminum wheels with GMC logo in the center, black mirror caps with your integrated turn signal and blind spot mirror at the front, paint match door handles with keyless entry. At the back, you have the integrated bed step for easier access into the back of the truck from the side, and the corner step rear bumper for easier access from the back. You have the GMC Multi-Pro tailgate. The bottom button will open the entire tailgate. You have plenty of storage space in the back with cargo tie-down locations at each corner and onboard power. The top button will lower the tailgate further. You can pull that open for an additional step for even easier access into the back. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You have the same jet black finish that you had in the front. Magazine holders on the backs of the seats. The black cloth seating here as well. You can lift the seats, lock them into place, giving you way more storage space in the back. And on the back of the center console, you'll find two cup holders and a couple of outlets for the rear passengers to use. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Sierra 2500HD SLE. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.